we have some wonderful news to share with all of you Tesla enthusiasts. Rumor has it that Tesla is developing plans to work with Korea after the renowned megamind Elon Musk met with South Korean President Yoon Suk-yeol recently. Their encounter is also a covert indicator about the gigantic gigafactory that the EV company plans to construct in the area of the Morning Call. Join us as we unravel the rumors using ludicrous amounts of proof if you're interested in learning more about this. Despite the fact that Tesla first used the term gigafactory to refer to its locations for producing batteries, it currently refers to all of them, regardless of where the batteries are built. The first gigafactory was built in Nevada in 2016. With 3 gigafactories in the US, 1 each in China and Germany, Tesla currently has 5. The location of the 6th facility has long been a source of discussion, but it appears that Elon Musk has finally provided an answer when he met with South Korean President Yoon Suk-yeol in Washington, D.C. Although we had many suspicions, the two have now addressed the issue, which has led to one thing. If you don't think we can build a gigafactory for Tesla in Korea, then check out this. South Korea features world-class built robots and an advanced labor force, making it a perfect place to run a gigafactory. That's not all, according to Yonhap, a Korean newspaper agency, which summarized the meeting between the two. Yoon Suk was also quoted as saying, "We will actively support Tesla in terms of location, workforce, and taxes should they decide to invest." The same information was also shared on Twitter by a user, and fans are ecstatic. The news agency reported that Musk added that he will travel to South Korea and that the country was still a top contender to become the location of a gigafactory. In order to explore the possibility of building a new gigafactory in Korea, which was already on Tesla's shortlist of possible locations, Yoon and Musk virtually met in November of last year. At first, Yoon and Musk was scheduled to meet in person at the Bali, Indonesia, B20 summit. Musk, however, was unable to fly to Bali, so the meeting was called off. Instead, they decided to meet virtually during that conversation. Yoon added that Korea had a top-notch car industry and that the country would work to tighten regulations to facilitate international investment. Although the conversation isn't documented, it seems like he was more explicit in this instance, giving Tesla in particular direct support rather than taking a broad approach to government control. Musk reportedly stated that he intends to travel to South Korea and that the country is still a strong candidate for a gigafactory. We also learned a little bit about the situation from the press releases that the presidential office made. When Elon Musk told him about his aspirations to create a gigafactory, it is stated that the two bright minds discussed global technical innovation and particular approaches to collaborate on an investment in Korea about the production of electric vehicles. Korea, according to Yoon, offers investment opportunities in a world-class automobile industry ecosystem. In response, Musk said, or at least the statement from back then said, that he believes Korea is one of the best investment prospects and plans to choose after carefully examining investment requirements like labor availability, technological advancements, and the production environment of Asian candidates. But there were reports at the time that Tesla was thinking about constructing a gigafactory in Mexico or Canada. Although it has been a while since the virtual meet, Tesla needs to upgrade and build gigafactories in other locations because electric vehicle sales are expected to soar in the coming years. The company even announced that it would build a gigafactory in Mexico, potentially quelling rumors of other locations. According to statistics, Tesla hopes to sell 20 million cars by 2030 and hopes to grow sales by 50% a year for the foreseeable future. If that were to occur, Tesla would need to establish gigafactories all around the world, and there would be no better place to start than Asia, which is unquestionably becoming a major participant in the EV industry. Two of the largest manufacturers of electric vehicles in Korea are Hyundai and Kia. Korean battery companies, such as LG Chem, Samsung SDI, and SK, also work with many automakers worldwide. Although Tesla already has a regular factory in Shanghai, the company would benefit greatly from opening a gigafactory in the East Asian region, where half of the world's population resides. Additionally, South Korea would be the ideal site for a new gigafactory due to its highly skilled workforce in the smartphone and automotive robotics industries. Needless to mention that the nation's EV industry is flourishing due to a mix of government support, technological advancements, and a booming car sector. The nation has emerged as a pioneer in the EV business. To encourage the usage of EVs, the government has also established a number of measures, including tax exemptions, financial assistance, and research and development spending. The EV industry has grown in South Korea as a result of these policies forcing corporations to make investments in it. Due to factors like growing worries about air pollution and the desire for more ecologically friendly transportation options, consumer demand for EVs is also growing significantly. Furthermore, Elon, the top battery component manufacturer in South Korea, consented to pay $2.91 billion to supply Tesla Incorporated with cathode, an essential component of batteries used in electric vehicle batteries. This means that Elon will provide high-nickel cathode to Tesla and its affiliates for a period of 2 years, starting on January 1, 2024, and ending on December 31, 2025, as per our regulatory filing. Elon is among the top 3 cathode makers in Korea, in case you were unaware. The business claims that the deal's value is subject to change based on how much lithium prices fluctuate and was calculated using Elon's most recent cathode sales pricing. Musk has already declared that, in his opinion, Korea is among the best places to invest. He plans to make his decision after carefully assessing investment prerequisites such as labor, technology, and Asian candidates' manufacturing environments. Additionally, he declares his intention to actively participate in Korea's infrastructure for electric vehicle charging, asserting that Tesla still makes use of Korea's superior components and domains related to artificial intelligence and autonomous driving. With everything in mind, there is a good chance that Tesla will construct a new, enormous gigafactory in Korea. On Twitter, Tesla's economics even addressed the issue, speculating that a Tesla gigafactory in South Korea would open shortly. Musk Elon, well, aside from this, is there any further proof we need? Guys, what do you think about Tesla building a gigafactory in Korea? Aside from Tesla, share your opinions with us in the comments section below. Additionally, the president expects that Korea would work with SpaceX. President Yoon expressed his optimism that foster Korea's space sector will grow even further as a result of our partnership with SpaceX. Korean businesses, including Starlink services, are prepared to participate in Mr. Musk's new endeavor. Sources claim that NI Research will deploy Starlink, a low-Earth orbit satellite communication service, in Korea. SpaceX is interested in working with KT, a Korean telecom company. We don't know how accurate core industry sources claims that KT, the massive satellite service provider owned by Korea Telecom, is in talks with SpaceX to launch a Starlink service. Elon Musk will eventually have something to do with Korea, that much is certain. Beyond that, the nation is thrilled to work with Musk and Tesla. President Yoon reportedly stated that the government would try its best to encourage further investment in South Korea, including the construction of a gigafactory, if Tesla, SpaceX or other businesses were thinking about doing so. We're working on a customized strategy to give these particular businesses some benefits. He went on to say that the country is definitely eager to fund the venture before the end of 2022. For $2.8 billion, South Korean retail investors bought Tesla equity. Additionally, the Korean Securities Depository disclosed that in 2017, local day traders acquired $160 million worth of Tesla shares. Here's a list of factors to think about if we are to analyze and come to a conclusion. During the discussion, President Yell stated that he would actively support Tesla in terms of location, human resources, and tax if it makes the investment decision. The president at this point, Yell, will stop at nothing to help Musk form a partnership with Korea that goes beyond Tesla. Some additional areas in which he is interested in are working with Korea are SpaceX and other technologies. This indicates that there is a high likelihood that Tesla will build a gigafactory in Korea. Nevertheless, we should wait and see, only time will tell. In the comments section below, please share your thoughts on this video. If you liked it, please subscribe to our channel. For more videos like this, click the notification bell and keep checking back.